The first question is telling us about to find out the temperature of the given places. When we move the right hand side from 0, we will find that at 5 degrees Celsius it is Shimla, at 14 degrees Celsius it is Ooty, at 22 degrees Celsius it is Bangalore. When we are moving the left hand side to 0, at that moment we will find that at minus 2 degrees Celsius it is Srinagar, and at minus 8 degrees Celsius it is Lahuspati. In the next question it is asking us to find out the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place. Now the hottest place is the place which is having the highest temperature, and the coldest place is the place which is having the lowest temperature. So the highest temperature is found to be 22 and the lowest temperature is minus 8. While taking the difference, we will take minus 22 minus minus 8. So minus minus will become plus, and at the last we have to do the addition of these two as it has become plus. So we will get the answer as 30 degrees Celsius. In the same way, you have to find out the rest of the sums. Looking at the question number 2, it is said that Jack has scored 5 different marks in the 5 different rounds, and we have to find out the total. It means we have to do the addition over here. So we will write 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 minus 10. Now always do remember that when you are writing the negative integers, you have to put them into the bracket. Now minus 5 minus 10, we have already seen in the part 1 that minus minus will become plus. So minus 5 minus 10 will become minus 15. Now 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 plus 25 is 35. So at the end he has scored 35 marks. Looking at the question number 3, it is said that in Srinagar on Monday there was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Now on Tuesday it has dropped to 2 degrees Celsius. Now dropped means the temperature has been decreased. We have to find out the temperature on Tuesday, while on Wednesday it has been rose to 4 degrees Celsius. Rose to 4 degrees Celsius means the temperature has been increased to 4 degrees Celsius. Now if the temperature is decreased, we have to do the subtraction, and if the temperature has rose up, we have to do the addition. So you can do accordingly. In question number 4, it is said that a flying jet is flying above the sea level and the distance is the 5000 meter, while a ship is moving under the water and it is 1200 meter below. We have to find out the vertical distance between these two. So we will add up. So 5000 plus 1200, the answer is 6200 meters. Always read the questions very properly, that it is asking about kilometers or meters or any interchange in the units. In question number 5, it is said that Mohan has deposited 2000 rupees in the bank. Deposited means in Hindi we can say that paisa jama karna, while he has withdrawn the 1642 rupees. Withdraw means bank se paisa nikal lena. So what will be the difference? We have to find out the balance, and for finding out the balance we do the subtraction. So 2000 minus 1642, the answer is 358. So the balance is 358. In the next